Take a look at this 2009 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle. Get there fast, it's power-packed. That responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.